Hi guys and welcome to IQ Surge channel. Can you solve this question? To solve this question, we need to find the common denominator between these fractions. LCD or least common denominator of these fractions obtained in this way. As you can see, first we write the multiples of the denominators. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Now let's write the multiples of 9. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. And the least common denominator of these fractions is 9. When two fractions are added, first we find the common denominator. After we find the common denominator, we simplify. As you can see in the image, we have a common denominator. And in this step, we divided the common denominator in the denominator of the fractions. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. And 3 times 1 is equal to 3. We write it in the numerator 3 plus. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. And 1 times 1 is equal to 1. In the numerator of this fraction we have 4. And in the denominator we have 9. Now let's simplify the second part. Now the expression becomes 4 over 9 divided by 2. Whenever we see a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. K stands for keep. C stands for change. F stands for flip. Now according to KCF rule, keep the first fraction as it is. Change division into multiplication. And flip the second fraction. It becomes 1 over 2. So 4 times 1 equals 4. And 9 times 2 equals 18. As you can see, the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 2. We divided both by 2 and simplify and get the answer. 2 over 9 is the final answer of this question. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.